5 best and 5 worst salads for diabetics. You think salads are good for you? Well, wait until you watch this video. I'm Dr. Ahmet Ergin, your host today. I'm an endocrinologist, a diabetes specialist, and today I have some goodies for you. I'm going to dive deeper into the intricacies of salad choices for individuals managing diabetes. Don't worry, I'm not going to make it disgusting, but I'm going to uncover the nutritional value and health implications that make these salads either a great option or the one to avoid. So let's take a closer look. I'm going to give you number 1 best salad, Greek salad. Well, guess what? I am Turkish and I love Greeks. Why? Because they have a great salad. Well, our first pick is, not the pig, the pick is Greek salad. Is a stellar choice for diabetics due to its abundance of fresh vegetables. Cucumbers, tomatoes, and bell peppers provide essential vitamins, right? Minerals, while being low in calories and carbohydrates. Voila! Additionally, what else? Feta cheese, yum! Oh, offers a satisfying dose of protein. I hear some comments already coming.
I hate feta cheese. I hate salads.
Well, I don't care. You better love it because you have to love it. You want to have a good life? You better have some olive oil-based dressing. It's going to provide you some heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. It will improve your insulin sensitivity and it will help with your pains and aches. So why not, right? Number 2, that's my favorite as well. Spinach and strawberry salad. Now, the spinach and strawberry salad is really good for diabetics. It's a delightful combination of flavors and textures that also happens to be diabetes friendly. The spinach is a nutrient-dense leafy green, right? Packed with fiber, which will help in your digestion, especially if you're on Ozempic or Mounjaro type of drugs, which makes you constipated a lot. And also, this will help stabilize your blood sugar levels. Now, strawberries, they are super rich in antioxidants, vitamins like vitamin C. It's a natural sweetness without impacting your blood sugar levels, especially in a salad. Now, if you top it with some almonds for some added crunch and some healthy fats, this salad is just as refreshing and nutritious as it can get. Number 3, quinoa salad with vegetables. Now, I hear some carnivores yelling at me already.
Oh, quinoa will spike your blood sugar.
Well, not really, unless you're not moving your booty. So yes, if you don't move at all, any carbohydrate will spike your blood sugar, even without diabetes. All right, so take my word, try it. Quinoa is a gluten-free whole grain. So a lot of times, these YouTube guru doctors or holistic doctors will say, oh, well, whole grains have what? The gluten, right? Well, there's no gluten in this, offering a complete protein source as well in a whole grain with fiber, essential minerals like magnesium and iron. Now, you can have the colorful vegetables such as bell peppers, which if you don't like them, most people don't, you can take them away. That's okay. Carrots, spinach, these not only provide a variety of nutrients, but also add texture and flavor. Now, how are you going to make it really taste good? Add some lemon vinaigrette dressing made with some fresh lemon. Fresh! Don't buy stuff from the Publix or supermarkets. We call Publix here, every supermarket, I guess. But you gotta have some fresh lemon, preferably keeping that white around that lemon, and olive oil. That's gonna add a tangy brightness without the need for added sugars or unhealthy fats. Number 4, that's my favorite when I go out. Tuna. The tuna niçoise salad is a satisfying meal option for diabetics thanks to its balanced combination of protein, healthy fats, and fiber-rich vegetables. Why? Tuna, first of all, is an excellent source for omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to improve the heart health and reduce the inflammation. Now, paired with some hard-boiled eggs, green beans, and cherry tomatoes, this salad offers a nutrient-dense and filling meal that can help stabilize your blood sugar levels. Now, number 5, my favorite is kale Caesar salad. Finally, the kale Caesar salad offers a modern twist on a classic favorite, making it suitable for individuals managing diabetes. Now, kale is a nutritional powerhouse, right? It's rich in vitamin A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. Now, by substituting the traditional romaine lettuce with kale, this salad really provides a greater concentration of nutrients per serving. Now, with the homemade Caesar dressing made with some Greek yogurt and anchovies, offers a lot healthier alternative to your store-bought dressings that are often high in added sugars and, of course, unhealthy fats. Now, let's talk about the worst salads for diabetics. The classic Cobb salad. Now, while the classic Cobb salad may seem like a wholesome choice with this array of toppings like bacon, cheese, avocado, it can be a poor option though for diabetics due to why? It's high saturated fat and calorie content. A lot of people will say,
only thing I eat is a salad.
well, if you eat this salad every day, you're gonna get fat. I'm sorry. Processed meats like bacon and deli ham are often high in sodium, unhealthy fats. They will increase the risk of heart disease and negatively impact your blood sugar control. No wonder why your triglycerides keep going up although you're eating salads. Additionally, the creamy ranch dressing typically served with Cobb salads contain sugars and unhealthy oils. Now forget that. It's gonna kill you. Number 2, Asian sesame chicken salad. Sounds very good, right? Well, despite its Asian-inspired flavors and vibrant presentation, the Asian sesame chicken salad may not be the best choice for individuals like you trying to take care of diabetes. Now, the crispy noodles and candied nuts commonly found in the salad can significantly increase the carbohydrate and sugar content, which will of course lead to blood sugar spikes. Now, in addition to that, sweetened sesame dressing, often used to dress this salad, may contain added sugars and unhealthy oils, again undermining the whole nutritional value in that salad. Now, my third worst salad is the chef salad. Now, the chef salad traditionally composed of what? Mixed greens topped with deli meats, cheeses, and hard-boiled eggs. Well, for some reasons, it may not be the healthiest option. Why? Because again, of the processed meats like ham and turkey and salami, often found super high in sodium and saturated fats. Again, it's going to contribute to your insulin resistance and increase the risk of heart disease. So instead of processed meats, you can change it for lean protein sources like grilled chicken or tofu or some salmon, whatever you like. Now, number 4 worst salad is Caesar salad with croutons. I'm sure that's a lot of people's favorite, but Caesar salad can be nutritious when you're healthy, when you're young, when you're athletic, but adding croutons will transform that into a very diabetic unfriendly option. Now, croutons typically made from refined white bread. They're high in carbohydrates and they lack the fiber. There's no nutrients, yada yada. So, consuming foods, again, high in especially refined carbs like this, can cause spikes in blood sugar levels before you know it. Again, minimal added sugars and processed ingredients is the key for a good salad. Number 5, worst salad is fruit salad, especially with sweetened yogurt dressing. Now, the fruit salads with sweetened yogurt dressing seem all healthy for my 3-year-old, but may contain a lot of hidden sugars. Even for my 3-year-old, he'll probably go out of control. He's going to go nuts because of all the sugars. It's going to affect your blood sugar control. Fruits are great overall, right? Unless they're too sweet. In moderation, they're great for vitamins and minerals. But on top of that, adding some sweetened yogurt dressing like they sell in the stores will increase your sugar content dramatically. Instead, go for a fruit salad if you have to, with no added sugars or dressings, with some greens, drizzle with some lemon juice and olive oil, and bam, nutritional value goes 10 times higher. All right, folks, as we wrap up our expedition through the jungle of salads for our diabetic friends, let's remember, navigating the wild world of food is all about fun and flavor. You know where to find the best nutraceuticals, right? SugarMDs.com. So remember to subscribe to this channel, give a like, and share this video, and don't forget to visit SugarMDs.com. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this channel so far, and I hope you subscribed already. If you didn't, do it. And if you did, watch this video right there. I think that will help you too.